it's you! Goodbye and welcome to Silly Bob Science. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun with some balloons. Oh, balloons! They used to be so cheap, but now they're so expensive. Well, that's inflation for you. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun blowing up a balloon. We're not going to do it the normal way, which looks something like this. We're going to do it a completely different way, using science. For this experiment, we will need a small funnel, some vinegar, a bottle, some bicarbonate of soda, and of course a balloon. We have now added the vinegar into the bottle. The next step is to add the bicarbonate of soda into the balloon. We now add the balloon onto the top of the bottle. And now the fun part. Let's see what happens. The bicarbonate of soda reacts with the vinegar to release carbon dioxide, which fills the balloon just as if you were blowing it up. Thanks for watching Silly Bob Science. I hope you had a lot of fun seeing this other way of blowing up a balloon. You should really try it out for yourself, but make sure you've got a responsible adult with you to help out. Hope we'll see you next time on Silly Bob Science. Remember to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any episodes. Take care, be good, stay young, and hello!